I've got 3 citrus trees in my backyard, an orange, a lemon, and a grapefruit. Citrus trees love nitrogen and potassium and need about 2.5 pounds of fertilizer scattered about 4 feet out from the trunk of your tree. In Arizona, we fertilize February, May, and August. Products that I'm going to use to fertilize my citrus tree today, my citrus trees. I've got an organic citrus tone, which I ordered on Amazon. It was about $15 a bag. I ordered 2 of them. And for sure I won't go through both of them. Probably, maybe just, almost 1 bag probably is what I'll go through. And then we have some organic composted mulch here, which I will also use. And then I'm gonna water it in with some fish plant food, 511. So we're looking at these different numbers, 511 on that. Our formula here for our citrus trees is a 5-2-6 blend. So all this is going to help the tree to produce the best, most delicious fruit for years to come. Okay, it's time to get to work. I'm scooping several scoops of this citrus tone and just scattering it around the tree and out at the base of the tree as well. And then I'm going to just take handfuls of this mulch and put it all around. Then I'm going to take a couple tablespoons of that fish fertilizer, put it in a gallon of water or so, and just water around this trunk really good. And that's it. Do this 3 times a year and you'll have beautiful looking citrus fruit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.